let me show you how to use the new feature of eye tracking on iOS 18. So first of all, before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, then go ahead to their general, and then go ahead to the software update. Make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version. After you update the iOS, go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down to the accessibility, and you're gonna be able right here to see that I don't have the eye tracking option right here. Seemingly that I will get it later or on the new version. But if you do, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the eye tracking, and you can turn it on, right? And basically you're gonna be able to just verify by your eye movements to just keep track on, you're gonna follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around. And as you follow your eyes, you're gonna be able, the iPhone will be able to detect your eye movement, and then basically gonna be able to confirm that this is how you operate. Remind you, this feature is still early, so if you face any challenge, just wait for the new versions. I'm sure that Apple will improve that feature, right? And if you want to turn it off, you can just turn off the eye tracking and then basically confirm that you want to turn it off, and then you can just use your hands for eye tracking. So for me, I don't have that feature, but if you do, just follow what I'm saying and then you should be good to go. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.